Ever wake up tired, like life just isn't moving? Big change comes from tiny habits. You're not stuck because you're broken. You're just missing the small things. Habit 1, 2-minute start. Motivation comes after you start. Action creates motivation. Start with 2 minutes. 1 page, 1 corner, 1 rep. 1 sentence is enough. Start small and momentum takes over. Habit 2, no phone first 10 minutes. Your morning sets the tone. Phone equals instant noise. 10 quiet minutes change everything. Wake up as you, not a reaction. Habit 3, 1 hour for future you. Urgent tasks keep you stuck. Give future you 1 hour. Learn, fix, or plan. 52 hours a year changes direction. Habit 4, 1 thought at a time. Your mind can ruin your day fast. Pause. 1 thought at a time. Focus only on what matters. Habit 5, upgrade your environment. Your space shapes your habits. Put a book where you see it. Put your shoes by the door. Delete 1 distracting app. Habit 6, celebrate small wins. Tiny wins still count. Small wins create momentum. Momentum builds identity. Ending. Small steps create big change. Pick 1 habit. Start today.